Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Sam. Thank you for watching. In this video, I am going to make a look of Maleficent. Yeah, because it has been really trending lately and I don't want to miss that. But I've only watched the first one yesterday, and hopefully that I will get some times off so that I can watch the second one. I really look forward to the second one. Okay, but first we are going to make a look of Maleficent, and I am now following the makeup tutorial of Devienna Makeup because I've seen so many tutorials of this Maleficent and I'm really attracted to this one. I mean, there's so much skill in it.
I've watched one of the Maleficent makeup tutorial. It was like just for the sake of the costumes sponsor. But this Devienna, she really nailed it. Yeah, so it's fine. She did hers. I'm sure what we're having to my guess for this.